everybody, welcome back to SamanthaJo Did You Know? How many times have you sent an email that's supposed to have an attachment on it and out the drafts it goes and it doesn't have the attachment? Gmail has a neat feature that is automatically in place that will stop you from sending an email and issue a warning saying, hey, are you supposed to attach a document here? Outlook has the same feature, but you have to activate it. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to hit File, Options, and Mail. You're going to scroll almost down to the bottom and you're going to click the checkbox next to Warn Me when I send a message that may be missing an attachment. Hit OK, and you're all done. As always, like and subscribe below for more videos with SamanthaJo Did You Know? See you guys next week.